Hello everybody, this is Mark with WTI. Are you looking for a top quality drill brush set to clean the inside of your vehicle? Well, you have to check out this drill brush kit by Useful Products. This is one of my favorite products to use when it comes to cleaning my personal vehicles. It contains 3 soft brushes that will attach to your favorite cordless drill. And the 3 brushes come in different shapes and they're so easy to switch out, which reduces the time it usually takes me to get the job done. You can see the power that these brushes have to offer, and I love using this for all different surfaces inside my vehicle. I use them to clean my seats, leather, mats, carpets, door panels, and much more. Do you have hard to reach places? I know I do, but I don't worry about it. I switch out to my small brush where I'm able to reach all those cracks and crevices where dirt and grime love to hide. Consider this your new superpower. So look no further. This drill brush set is one of my top choices when it comes to cleaning the seats, the carpets, and the leather of my vehicles. And that's just my point of view.